What's up, you guys? This is Vincanity, and today we're going to be learning how to do the baby steps for a crab walk. Now, if you guys have never seen a crab walk or even attempted a crab walk before, it's basically when you are on your arms in this turtle position and you are running. So the first thing that we got to do is perfect our turtle position. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to start this tutorial as if you've never done a crab walk or even thought of a crab walk before in your life. The first thing we need to do is learn the position. Mainly, we want to practice our turtle freeze or our turtle position, which is where our elbows both go right into here, right into your stomach, like right above the hip bone, right here. Some people that have longer arms will go even lower, but it really kind of depends on the person. For the most part, it's going to be right here in your stomach, sitting right above the hip bone. Also, you want to have your arms coming straight out of your body into the floor, making a 90-degree from the floor to your body. Okay, we go to our knees and we're going to reach down like this, and we're basically going to practice just keeping our knees on the ground, and you can use your head to rest, but eventually you want to practice holding your head up like this. Okay, as you get comfortable with this, then you want to start bringing your knees off the floor and again get comfortable. Okay, it does take time. This is not a move that just happens overnight, but this is the main position you want to get comfortable with. Okay, after you get that, then what you can do is take one leg off and start to work on your balance. So we're here, our head is up, our knees are up, and what you can do is practice lifting up one leg at a time and getting your balance there. One leg at a time and get your balance. Okay, again, this move is a little bit tiring. You are going to have to flex your abs, almost like an extreme version of holding a planche. So when you are here, do take breaks. Don't try to hold it for hours. Your wrists will start hurting, your abs will start hurting, you might get a six-pack, who knows what. But take a break, keep your arms here, and now what we're going to do is practice balancing. Okay, so we go here, and what we want to do is practice just leaning forward just a little bit and letting our feet just kind of come off the ground. Okay, so we're here, forward, off the ground, forward, off the ground. And as you get better at that, you want to eventually hold it for a couple seconds, maybe 1 second. Go again, 1, 2. Go again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, till eventually you can just go here, balance it out, and hold it, no problem. Okay, now once you get that, the second thing we need to work on is also our cricket position. So we have our turtle position and our cricket position. Both are going to be useful for this move because you will kind of be doing a little bit of both. So what we want to do is practice our cricket position on both sides. Okay, starting from here. Okay, cricket position with our left arm, one arm out, and we're going to go through those same exact motions again, starting from keeping your head off the ground, then to your knees, then to balancing with one foot, other foot, and then eventually both feet. Okay, then you switch arms, same exact thing. Start off keeping your head off the floor, boom, then knees off the floor, then one leg, other leg, and then eventually no hands. Okay, these three things are prerequisites for this move. If you are not comfortable with them, this move will be a little bit challenging for you. So I would recommend practicing these three positions for at least a couple weeks before you even attempt this move. So what we need to learn now is how to walk. Basically, if you could imagine a turtle, they kind of take little steps like this, right? Or a crab, right? They're So what we're going to do right now is practice walking backwards, using our legs as a crutch, just to mainly learn how to walk and gain some strength. We can walk forward and we can walk backwards. Walking forward is a lot harder than backwards, so we're going to start off going backwards. Okay, the reason why we learn all three positions, here, here, and here, is because you will kind of be going through this motion like this, going back and forth, right? Some people will just go like this, which is completely fine. Other people will take bigger steps, right? But we want to kind of have that, you know, at least the strength to go on each arm so that it makes this motion happen a lot easier. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna go to our turtle position and we're gonna take our first step. We're gonna lift this hand up, boom, and we're gonna move back just a little bit. Then we're gonna move this arm, same thing, we lean back onto here, we move this back. Then we move this arm back, this arm back, this arm back, this arm back. And this is gonna be basically your practice for a couple weeks. You wanna really get comfortable just walking backwards. Starting here, walking backwards, walking backwards, walking backwards, walking backwards, and get comfortable. Then walk forward, 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 right? At first, you're gonna use your legs a lot, almost like you're just like crawling, okay? So here, using your legs kind of as a crutch to go backwards. And once you get comfortable with that, we're gonna practice dragging our legs. So we're gonna start off going backwards and forward, dragging our legs, going from here, and going forward, okay, again, think of these as like training wheels. It takes some of the weight off of your arms so that you could really learn that motion, okay? Then once you get comfortable, let's go a little bit faster. Going forward. Do this again for a couple weeks. This really will help you build up your strength, build up the speed. And now, once you're comfortable with all that, we are ready to lift up our legs. Now, how you lift up your legs is really up to you. You could have your legs straight, you could have your legs up, you could have it to the side. The easiest route is probably to crunch your legs in closer to you in whatever position you like, whether it's, you know, here, you know, it doesn't matter, but when you have your legs straight out, it is a little bit more difficult, so just kind of be aware of that. So let's try this first round going really, really slow. Okay, go ahead, go to position, legs up. Now let's try going a little bit faster. Alright you guys, so that is the crab walk. Again, it's a move that just doesn't happen overnight, so make sure you guys practice it. Train those basics, train these, again, basic positions, and then train walking slowly in them. And this will kind of give you guys a foundation to making all these moves happen and happening with ease. Once you guys start getting the hang of it, again, start doing little drills with your friends. Maybe you go across the floor, your friend goes across the floor. You go back across, he goes back across. Make it fun and also challenging for you and your crew, right? If you guys have a big group of people, even better, okay? Hope you guys enjoy this video, and again, have fun with the move, and of course, always get creative with it, okay? Talk to you guys soon. Peace.